நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே, கொடித்தோன்றும் தோரணவாயில் காப்பானே, மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய், ஆயர் சிறுமியரோ உமக்கு, அரைவரை மாயன் மணிவண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய்நேர்ந்தான், தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலெழப் பாடுவான், வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மா, நேய நிலைக்கதவம் நீக்கு ஏலோர் எம்பாவாய். We have noticed that Pasuram 1 to Pasuram 5 till Mayanai Mannu Vadamadurai Maindhanai, the initial 5 Pasurams were the Upodghatam, the introduction to the entire Tamil Prabandham of Tirupavai. Pasuram 6 to Pasuram 15, the 10 Pasurams, denote Andal's method of singing Suprabhatam, Tirupalli Ezhuchi, for the Bhagavatottamas. Tondaradippudi Alvar may have sung a Tirupalli Ezhuchi for the Bhagavan, but Andal sings the Suprabhatam, the Tirupalli Ezhuchi, for the Bhagavatottamas. Why? Because Padmottaram states, Aradhananam sarvesham Vishnor aradhanam param tasmat parataram proktam tadiyaradhanam param. So it says, more than propitiating and paying obeisances to the Lord, it is the Lord's devotees to whom we have to pay obeisances to. Hence, it is a Bhagavata Tirupalli Ezhuchi from Pasuram 6 to Pasuram 15. Andal and her set of friends now try reaching the outskirts or probably the walls, the rampant walls of Krishna's house, which is Nandagopala's house. They notice, because of the number of demons who have been tormenting the little boy, it has become a fortress. They have observed that there are many sets of watchmen who are guarding this fortress. Those of them who are used to the Tiruvaradhanam Paddhati as per Agama Shastras, you can also propitiate God in your very little house. He is worshipped in the form of Shalagramam. There is a place called Muktinath in Nepal where the Lord resides in the form of this holy stone. It is called Shalagramam. Alvar states, Kalayum Kiriyum Parimavum Tiriyum Kanam Kadandu Poi Shilayum Kanayum Tunayaga Shendran Menni Sherukkalathu Malaigondalami Danegatti Malainir Kondu Valarakkan Talaivan Talai Pattum Aruttuhandan Shalakiramam Adai Nenje. Hence, it becomes very important to understand that Shalagrama Tiruvaradhanam has been accepted and has been revered in our Shastras. While we perform Shalagrama Tiruvaradhanam, it is said that we will have to offer our obeisances to the Dwarapalakas first. So we say, Viryayasthaya Fat, then Chandadi Dwarapalebhyo Namaha. We offer our pranamams to the Dwarapalakas. Similarly, in Andal's Prabandham, while she reaches Nandagopala's very well guarded fort, she sees the watchmen standing outside. So she offers her pranamams to them. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopan. Now every now and then she will keep praising her prospect mother-in-law and father-in-law. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopan. So he is like the chief and his qualities are as such. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya, his koil, which is his house, Kappane, those men who are guarding the fortress, the house of the chief of all Gopas called Nandagopa. Kodithondrum Thoranavayil Kappane, those watchmen who are now present in the next layer of the fortress. Kodithondrum Thoranavayil Kappane, Manikadavam Taltiravai. Why don't you end up opening the doors, unlatching the doors, which have been studded with beautiful, radiant, resplendent gems? Now you may be wondering, Andal offers her servitude, Ananya Rahaseshatvam, to the Lord alone. Why should she pay obeisances to the watchmen, the Dwarapalakas? Why should she offer respect to them? Of course, one side of the world believes that whatever work one performs, we need to respect it. And they believe the concept of dignifying and offering respect to every form of work comes from their world. But sadly, the Vedic civilization has observed that every kind of work, every form of work, legitimately and wholeheartedly done, needs to be respected. Krishna was the king of Dwaraka, yet he chose to become the messenger of the Pandavas by walking to Hastinapura. Krishna was the king of Dwaraka, yet he chose to be the charioteer, the Sarathi to Arjuna. So we have had temples that commemorate him. In Kanchipuram, we have Pandava Duta temple. In Chennai, we have Partha Sarathi temple. He takes pleasure in calling himself the charioteer. He takes pleasure in calling himself the messenger. So Andal wanted to respect them. Besides that, her father Vishnu Chitta Periyalvar must have told, my dear daughter, once while Jaya and Vijaya, the Dwarapalakas of one set of the walls, the fortress walls of Sri Vaikuntham or the Karya Vaikuntham, did not let the Sanat Kumaras go in. Because of which the Sanat Kumaras became furious and cursed that these two, Jaya and Vijaya, should be born on earth. And given the Lord's intervention, they were born as Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, Ravana and Kumbhakarna, Sishupala and Dantavakra. Because of all these Dantavakra, Sishupala, Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha and so on, Andal was worried. If she doesn't respect them, what will happen? Hence, she says, Manikkadavam Taltiravai. Now the watchmen may ask, why should we open it for you? Ayar Shirimiyaro Umakku, aren't we those little girls that you see? Araivarai Mayan Manivannan Nannale Vainendan. Whom are we going to sing praises about? Manivanna, the one who is as beautiful as the gems. Kalinguni Talalapaina Kappina Pushya Ragamu is a beautiful line of Annamacharya. Tuyomai Vandu Tuilira Paduvan. We have come to wake him up and sing praises about him. Vayal Munnam Munnam Matrade Ammani Neyanilekadavam Nik. Please don't drive us away from here. We have taken lot of efforts. We are little girls. Neyanilekadavam Nik. Please unlatch the door. Only you have the power to do it. Hey Dwarapalakas, please do it for me. Says Andal to all these Dwarapalakas in the 16th Pasuru.
Bye.
பக்தி மார்க்கத்துக்கு வித்திட்டது யார்? தமிழ் மொழியை வளர்த்தது யார்? நாம் கற்க வேண்டியது யாது? இவ்வனைத்துக்கும் விடை ஆழ்வார்களும் அவர்கள் கொடுத்த திவ்ய பிரபந்தமுமே ஆகும். ஆழ்வார்களின் வாழ்க்கை வரலாறும் அவர்கள் அருளிச் செய்த பாசுரங்களில் உள்ள அழகும் அந்த அழகுக்கு மேலும் அழகு சேர்க்கும் வியாக்கியானங்களும் அந்த பாசுரங்களால் பொலிவு பெறும் திவ்ய தேசங்களும் இவ்வனைத்தையும் ஒருங்கிணைக்கும் வகையே அபிநவ பாடசாலா வழங்கும் பிரபந்த சாரபோதனி, a comprehensive e-course. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு kindly visit www.desikadaya.org/aep. வாரீர் பக்தி தமிழில் இணைவோம்.